All right, so I want to do this video because for 2 weeks I've had a no crank, no start on my 96 Jeep XJ, Cherokee, SE, four-wheel drive, however you want to classify it out there. Looked at videos after videos, searched schematics, everything, and basically it came down to a dirty neutral safety switch. Now I looked up the part, $240 at Advanced Auto Parts. I'm going to put a link in the description down there for BleepinJeep. He shows you how to take it apart, put it back together, clean it. I'm not taking mine apart because it looks like a pain in the butt to unzip tie it and take it off and reroute the wires and everything. I'll show you where the wires go. But I went, put a new starter in, took my ignition apart, checked all that, checked the relays, switched the relays. What I ended up having to do, I'll show you right here. If you are, I don't know, stranded or whatever, and you got plenty of power and it's just not cranking, and you don't want to get the screwdriver down there to bypass the solenoid and do all this crazy stuff. I just took the cap off of my relay and just turn the Jeep on, press it, and go. So I'm gonna show you a few things, talk about it. You do what you want to do, but I was really frustrated because I found nothing on the internet to help me out with this situation. Enjoy. This is what I ran into when I first started having the situation. Put the key in, you turn it, you got nothing. I took the buzzer out also because it was driving me crazy trying to work on it, but you can see I have plenty of everything. Fuel pump is going, everything. Of course, what everybody shows you what to do is take these two relays, flop them, switch them, do whatever. So I took it apart, tested it, it's fine, still wouldn't work. Checked everything down underneath with a voltmeter. Everything seems fine. The car is in park. The ignition is on. All I'm doing to start the car is this. That's just a quick fix. I'm gonna leave it like that because if I'm out and about, up in the mountains or on the trails, I'm gonna leave it like that so I can just jump it if I need to. Now I'm gonna show you where the neutral safety switch is and where the wires come up into the engine compartment. Jeep on the passenger side towards the front. There's the exhaust pipe, and I have my headlamp. You can see it right back there. And I will give in the description, like I said, BleepinJeep's got a link and a great video on taking that apart and cleaning it because it gets really gooped up. I ended up fixing it by just putting it in park and down into low, back into park like 15 times, and that seemed to help it. And once again, here it is. It's right there. He says it's a 12mm bolt, one bolt that comes off. Then there's like a cotter pin or something in there, the safety. Pop that out, loosen that up. Whole piece slides off, but the real pain in the butt is the wires run up all the way into the firewall through the transmission dipstick next to that. He says there's two zip ties at the top, two zip ties at the bottom, and then one of these plugs in this cluster is the culprit. So one quick thing, if you want to take that buzzer out that's driving you nuts, it's right underneath on the left-hand side, and it is plugged into that white plug right there. So I just took it out because I was tired of hearing it while I was working on my Jeep. Also, I checked all these fuses, no issues there either. Well, I hope that helps you guys out. Like I said, I worked on this for 2 weeks off and on, and it was pretty irritating and aggravating. So I hope this shows you how to have a no crank, no start situation and get it fixed. Have a great day. Keep Jeeping out there.